Alright guys, you know this one. Hold on to your hat. Look at these progressives up here. This is my absolute favorite Lock-It Link machine. I don't play a ton of them. I love them myself. I don't play a ton of them. I work them in because I know everybody likes them, but I feel like there's a ton of video out there on that stuff. So, alright guys, we're on 10-cent denomination. We have 252. We're going to run that down and give it a good run. I'm going to go with the minimum bet on this is $6. So, oh, come on, give it to me. Here we go. Crystal ball is wild, and we need 3 of the top hats to trigger the Lock-It Link bonus. $11 hit. Remember, these are dimes. And I will mess with the denominations if we're not hitting. $3. $4, giving us a little something each time. That tiger is the top symbol. Crystal ball is wild. We need 3 hats. There's one. That's what we needed to see. We need 3 of those. Any place. Alright, we're down to about $50 already. Let's go ahead and change it to denom. And let's do $3 a spin. Let's just see what happens. Try to trigger this thing. It's not about me winning a ton of money. Of course I want to win a ton of money, but I really, this channel was started to show you guys the slot machines and the fun of the slot machines. The reality of slot machines. And it kept some bonus for you guys. Crystal balls. $3.50. Come on. Don't let me down. Oh, I thought I had it right there. Thought that was it. Alright, we're going to go up the bet a little bit here. $6. We'll do this for a few spins. And we're down about a little over 100 now. Alright, let's go to the 2-cent denom. We'll go $3.60. Money back on that. I usually get it by now, guys, so I don't know, I got a cold machine here. $14.40 on that. On a 2-cent. Come on, baby. Oh, I thought I had it. I mean, guys, those are feelings from the gut there. Oh, I really. Yikes! Come on. There we go, guys. 2-cent denom, $3.60 bet. Oh my gosh! Look at that top symbol. I was so excited about that. Look at all those top symbols. Right out of the gate, $72 to start. Nice. 10 free games. Alright, we want to lock those hats up. We need more hats to land on these squares that are already locked. Well, that was a great start, which usually means we won't get a lot of hats. What'd I tell you? 2 spins, no hats. 8 spins left to go. I'm telling you. You just know the machines, guys. It's giving us good line hits, though. There's a nice one. Not one hat, guys, after 4 spins. That's terrible. Oh my goodness. Never have I seen this before. Wow. I might get shut out. I might get shut out, guys. It's got a lot of work to do. I need a re-trigger here for 3. Got 1 silver. Thank goodness for the line hits. There we go. 1 more. Re-trigger, guys. Yes. And we got a gold. We got a gold one. Woo! Redemption. Redemption is here. Come on, hat, hat. Alright, every hat's a win, guys. Every hat's a win. Alright, we got 2 silvers, 1 gold. 1 silver, sorry, 1 silver. Alright, let's see. Come on, give me a symbol. Alright, we got the minor, guys, for $100. That's the minor. Let's see what we got. Ah, not bad, not bad. 272, 273. If we did not have those, those line hits, that was crazy. Wouldn't have been that well. That's great, guys. All right, let's cross the finish line here. I'm pretty happy with that. So we're up about 140, 150 on the machine. You guys want to look at the slot stats at the end of the video to see exactly what it is. Let's go 2 more here. And you know what? I'm going to go... Let's go down to the 1 cent, see what happens over there. The max bet on this is 6, but let's go 3 because we don't want to go crazy because we just want a decent pot. I won't let this go below 300 no matter what. That would be a... So we were down. We were down about 150, so that would give us a $50 win total. Oh my goodness. Like bouncing out of my chair. I'm a very energetic person, everybody, so I'm glad that you're not actually seeing me. Once the COVID restrictions are released, we'll probably have 2 camera angles so you can see my very animated face. There's no sense in you looking at me with this mask on my face right now. Woo. Alright, you know what we're going to do? We're going to go $6 max on the penny denomination down to $300, then we're going to call it. Oh! It's showing up. That hat's showing up. That was a nice comeback though, huh, JV? We're down to 140. So we'll get all our money back and leave with about a $50 win. Wilds. We've got about 4 spins left in the $6 bet. Last spin, guys, unless I can pull another one out. Nope. Alright, guys, we're going to cash out at 303.73. That was a nice comeback, plus we're going to leave with a little bit ahead. That was hold on to your hat.